Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write multiplication sign in Microsoft Excel. So there are some methods you can use to write this symbol. Click on insert, then equation, and here select this multiplication sign. Another way, type slash and type time. Once you and type here times and press space bar. And another way, click on insert, shape, and select this equation shapes. Draw here multiplication. Also guys, you will find this key on your keyboard. If you don't have on your keyboard, so in this way you can write this symbol. Thanks for watching.